Try these great old-fashioned frugal living tips that you can use to save money. Saving money can be a challenge, but here are a few ways that may help you spend less and save with these tips for today's modern world. Looking to save some extra cash while living your best life? Here are practical and savvy ways to be frugal without sacrificing the things you love. Number 1. Cook your meals at home. Eating out can add up quickly. Plan your meals in advance, cook at home, and pack your lunches. You'll save money, eat healthier, and discover your inner chef. A great tip is to make your meals in advance on the weekend. Label and freeze them for the week. Number 2. Secondhand shopping. Embrace secondhand shopping or look for clearance and end of the year, summer, fall, winter, spring deals. Thrift stores and online marketplaces offer hidden treasures at a fraction of the cost. Whether it's clothing, furniture, or gadgets, secondhand shopping is a fun way to find unique items while saving big. End of the year clearance sales at stores have great bargains both online and in store. Sometimes you can find clothing and other items for under $5 to $10 when you hit the stores during the right time of the year. Number 3. Save money on energy and water usage. Cut down on utility bills by being mindful of energy and water usage. Turn off lights, unplug electronics, fix leaks, and consider energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Use an app to control the settings for your furnace and air conditioning. Your wallet and the environment will thank you. Number 4. DIY home improvement repairs, crafts, and decorations. Why buy when you can DIY? From home repairs to crafting, tapping into your creative side not only saves money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, handmade gifts have a personal touch. Learn a new craft and make gifts for birthdays, holidays and other celebrations. Number 5. Monthly budgeting. Create a monthly budget by using a planner or notebook. Creating a budget is your financial roadmap. Track your income, set spending limits, and prioritize saving. Knowing where your money goes empowers you to make intentional choices and reach your financial goals. Remember, frugality isn't about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that align with your goals. When shopping, be sure to clip your store's digital coupons on your phone. Use money-saving apps such as Ibotta to get money back on groceries, clothing and more. By adopting these simple habits, you'll enjoy a more rewarding and financially secure journey. For more money-saving tips and to check out the Ibotta app, check out the link below.